What's up, guys? So we're back at it again. We got another comparison video today. So today we're going to be focusing on glass, whether it's inside the vehicle or outside the vehicle. So we've got Chemical Guys' Glass Cleaner Signature Series, as well as their streak-free window cleaner. And really, I can't tell a whole lot of difference. This has been my usual one, is the Signature Series. This one, or both of them, are ammonia free, supposed to be streak free, and then they also are good for like mirrors and what's this one say? Glass, mirrors more, and both of them are also window tint safe. So you can use them on both the inside and outside, which is always a plus. So what we'll do is we'll start with our Signature Series over on the left hand side, and we'll go over to our streak free on the right hand side and see really if there's any difference. Then as usual, we're going to be looking for like what it looks like. Is it going to be water repellent? So we may grab the hose out, see if it repels water better, and like if there's less spotting or anything like that. And then also for these, especially since you can use them on the inside too, what do they smell like? Is it going to go good with all the leather scents that you're using or all the rubber scents that you're using and stuff, kind of on that point. So it's kind of all about building a scent profile on the inside of your car, especially when it comes to all these different, I guess, scent flavors, if you will, that Chemical Guys offers. So the application on both of these is fairly easy. You spray a couple sprays to a few sprays, and then you wipe it with your microfiber cloth. You flip the microfiber cloth over, and then you dry it. And it's that simple on both of these. So we will go ahead and do that. Again, it's going to be Signature Series on this side and the streak-free window cleaner on this side. Alright guys, so that was it. That was the simple process of cleaning the windows. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to peel our tape line off, because there doesn't look like there's any type of difference at all between the two. So I mean, this one I feel like actually got a little bit cleaner, but overall I'm gonna get where you're at. All right. Overall, like both of them feel roughly the same. This one almost feels a little sticky, the Signature Series, and the streak free is just more of like, hey, it's glass. But the downside of this one, the streak free, is that it doesn't smell like anything. This one, on the other hand, smells like tropical bubble gum, is the best way that I could probably describe it, or tropical cotton candy. So this one smells really, really good, which is one of the reasons why I actually like it as much as I do. Not to mention that it actually does a really good job of cleaning the glass as well. So don't you think for one second that I buy products just because of their scents. Don't do that. So now that we've looked on the outside, let's move to the inside, since I do have tinted windows, and let's see if there's any differences between the two on that. All right, so now we're here on the interior. So we got our tent. Well, hi. I guess it really wants to get clean. And we have our towels and our products down here. So again, we'll be using the Signature Series on this side and the streak free on this side. The only difference between interior and exterior is that you normally want to go just directly onto the microfiber towel with the cleaning product. The only reason I say that is because like you have door seals that just catch all that product if you spray it directly on it, and it just drips off. So this is what we're going to do. We will go ahead and spray it on here like so. And I think some of that got my eye. And then just wipe the product. And you're going to do the same thing for as far as like drying it as you did on the other one, or on the exterior. So do that, you'll flip it. This towel is entirely way too big. but it's what I grabbed, so it's what we got. All right, and then we'll come in here and again, like that Signature Series has that nice sweet smell, and it does actually go pretty well alongside the leather cleaner as well, with all the natural leather scent. So I do recommend this one for the interior. All right, so now we're gonna get to the streak-free one. Let's see if we get any differences between the two. So again, shake it up just a little bit, spray it on here a couple times. We'll get in here and wipe it. Uh-oh, my tape's coming off. How are you supposed to do a proper comparison without any tape? Again, this one just kind of smells like a normal glass cleaner that's ammonia free, so it's not harsh, but it just smells like a cleaning agent. So kind of disappointed that one didn't smell like blueberries or blue raspberries or something like that. All right, so as we're looking through here, so kind of nice feel. Again, this one kind of feels just a little sticky. Maybe they actually put sugar in that, and that's why it smells so sweet. Given the window diabetes. Both of these, like, it gets it clean, it gets it clear. My recommendation though, I've got two this time. Either one of them wins, kind of sadly. So even though this one does kind of give it a little bit of a, I guess, a sticky residue almost, or it's not as slick as the streak-free, is I would recommend this one for the interior, simply because, well, it goes good with the scent profile. Because as you know, with our scent profile, if you've been watching the comparison videos, you'll know we've got grape on the floor mats, we got leather all inside, we've got potentially rubber or pina colada smelling for the plastics, and now we've got this cotton candy flavor. I don't taste these. I hope you guys know that. I do like the way they smell, but I would never go as far as tasting them. But I think that this in itself, along with the leather scent, goes great together. So I would recommend this, the Signature Series, for the interior windows. But for potentially keeping it cleaner, I would go with the streak-free on the outside, because it does give it that little bit slicker, that slicker profile on the actual glass. And if you guys want, actually, let's move around back again, and we'll get the hose out, and we'll see if it actually does repel water a little bit better. So as you can see from the bead lines from the Signature Series compared to just the beading from the streak-free, that kind of gives it away that maybe the streak-free is actually a little bit more repellent than the Signature Series. All right, so just to recap again, guys, for the glass cleaner Signature Series, I recommend this for the interior, but not the exterior. Again, it's because of the bead lines that we still have up here, as opposed to just the beading from the streak-free. But I'd recommend it for the interior due to the nice sweet cotton candy tropical scent that they infused in here. So highly recommend it for the interior for that. And then for the exterior, I recommend the streak-free, mainly because, again, of the properties of water repelling. So this one also says that it has optical enhancers. I don't think it's like wearing glasses or anything, but maybe it is. Maybe it's like, I'm just kidding. So stupid. Anyways, I recommend this one for the exterior, and the Signature Series for the interior. I don't know why that cracked me up so much. It's so stupid. Oh man. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this comparison video. I know I did. Now I know what I'm going to be using inside and outside of the vehicle for all the glass. Anyways, let me know what you guys thought about this in the comments below. And also, don't forget to subscribe and share this and turn on those notifications so that way you know when the next video is coming out. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.